No? So welcome po dito sa ating halftime. So ngayon, Mayor, despite all the challenges na napagdadaanan ngayon ng inyong team, paano niyo po ba napapanatili yung maganda at matibay na samahan ng Bicol Volcanoes?
Well, actually, we've been struggling for the past few games, but then we are very focused right now on how to regain and to win again. Go back to the winning streak of our team. And what we're doing right now is to make the relationship of all the players and of course with the coaching staff, with the management, para maayos na. Yung mga gusot-gusot na yan, we have to forget it, move forward, and focus on winning.
Alright, and of course, we'll look forward to that. Mayor, maraming salamat po. Kayo rin po ba meron mga gustong pasalamatan ngayon?
Well, I would like to say thank you to LCC Malls, of course, with Mark Tan, with the coaching staff, our head coach Manel Callos, of course, Coach Nomar, and sa lahat ng mga Bicolano na mga Oragon. Sa Indo po ini, at asahan nyo na babalik at babangon ang mga Oragon na Bicolano.
Maraming salamat po, Mayor.